Hi everyone, it's Stuart again. I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's the MX Ergo Plus. The reason I did it is because I have carpal tunnel syndrome in my wrist. So about 12 years ago, I started to notice that I was getting a lot of pain in my wrist. And I basically found out that it was the mouse that was causing it. I was doing IT help desk at the time, and I needed something to resolve this issue. So try one of these. So we went out and got one, and lo and behold, within 2 months, my carpal tunnel had cleared up quite substantially. So this is Trackball, for those of you who don't know. So this is the old one I had, and it's basically use this to control your mouse cursor, okay? And yeah, it's been okay. The only problem with these is that they get gummed up quite easily. So after a while, it gets, even after cleaning, it still gets so gummed up, and the track ball doesn't spin very freely. So that's why I went out and got this one, and I've already unboxed it, and so we're just gonna take a quick peek at it. So it came with the charging cable, which just plugs into the front, okay? And there's this magnetic metal plate that sits on the bottom that adjusts the angle of it. So in the default position, it's sort of down this way. And if you go like that, it flips it up, and then you have a bigger angle. And then if you want to go even higher, it has this little rubberized, I guess it's rubber, some sort of plasticky rubber piece that just sits on there like that, and you can get it really high. So it does feel a little bigger in the hand than this one, but yeah, I'm doing this. So if you think you have carpal tunnel, definitely give something like this a try. You don't have to use the Logi one or Logitech one, but there's tons of trackballs out there, and I've been using all kinds of different trackballs probably since the 80s and 90s, but mostly since about 2010 or so is when I really basically it became my normal way to use the computer. Okay, so thanks for watching today. So if you have that issue, maybe check it out. Take care.